Namaste. I am Dr. R S Kumar. I shall be sharing with you my experiences about accreditation in about 20 odd such video tutorials. In my career spanning more than 34 years, about 15 and a half years was with industry, and the balance 18 odd years I am with different colleges as HOD as well as principal. During this career span, I have obtained accreditation for my program as well as for the institution multiple times. I shall be sharing with you how to go about getting accreditation, how to initiate work about accreditation as for both NBA as well as for NAC. As we all know, quality is of paramount importance, and without quality, the institution cannot survive. So I shall be using a process-oriented approach in this video tutorial. At this juncture, I should profusely thank NBA, National Board of Accreditation India, for the so many trainings which they have provided me, whether it is at Coimbatore or at Chennai or at New Delhi. I should also thank them profusely once again for choosing me, giving me the opportunity to work as an expert committee member to visit different institutions. I shall start from the basics, how to go about, how to do the documentations, how to prepare the files, how to present it. All those things I will cover in about 20 odd such video tutorials. I will say it is a video tutorial come workshop. So I will also share some real-time data details for you so that you can easily prepare for the accreditation. I will start with NBA, preparing your program for the NBA. You can always connect up with me. I shall provide my email ID. Subsequent to that, if necessary, we can also talk over the phone. Thank you for watching this.